Hi, if you're planning to build a modern and a spacious family home, this five-bedroom maisonette with a flat roof is a perfect choice for you. I'm going to explain the layout and features that makes this home ideal for family living or the modern living. From the outside, this maisonette features a clean and contemporary architectural design. The flat roof gives the house a sleek and modern appearance, while large windows allows natural lighting and proper ventilation. Balconies and decorative wall finishes add to the beauty and elegance of the house. So, when you move to the ground floor, you are being welcomed into a spacious lounge area designed for relaxation and entertaining guests. Next to the lounge is the living area. Sorry, next to the lounge is the dining area, which is conveniently located near the kitchen. The kitchen is modern and spacious with enough room for cabinets, appliances, and food preparation. A pantry is also included for additional storage. This floor also features a guest room, making it convenient for visitors and elderly family members. A cloakroom is also provided for guests. Upper floor layout. When we move to the upper floor layout, the house features four additional bedrooms designed to provide comfort and privacy. The master bedroom is ensuite and may include a private balcony and wardrobe space. The other bedrooms are well sized and share common bathrooms. In some designs, the upper floor may also include a family lounge or study area. One of the biggest advantage um, of this flat roof design is its modern look and efficient use of space. The rooftop can also be used for additional features such as terrace, solar panels, or water storage tanks. Building upwards also allows you to maximize space on your plot while leaving room for parking and outdoor activities like swimming, playground. You can also do your landscaping. So, in a summary, a five-bedroom maisonette with a flat roof offers space, comfort, and modern architectural appeal, making it ideal for large families. If you like house plans for this design or any house designs in our YouTube channel, or if you have professional construction service, or if you need or you like professional construction services, kindly contact us on 0724 48 1087 or 0789 217685. You can as well email us at info@westkenyarealestate.com. Kindly don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Ask Kenya Real Estate Limited, building your dream home. Thank you.